guys, welcome to your girl is vibing with Empress, and in today's video we are doing a bedroom reset for 2026. As a Jamaican, we don't want the new year catch us in a dirty room, a dirty space, because it is said that if the new year catches you in a messy space for the rest of the year, your life is gonna be messy. We don't want that. We don't want that. All right, we need positive energy, right? Positive vibration. We need it. I hope that watching this video give you some motivation. My space is literally messy right now because when I'm getting ready and I'm just like all over the place rushing. Y'all know me ever late, so me ever rush, right? So I know that sometimes when we are in the funk, getting up and tidying our space can be very difficult because you're not in the mood and the bed is just where you're at. But let me tell you something, the moment you fight that energy and you decided to get up and start cleaning your space, you'll realize that you feel so much better. You can think clearly, you feel happier, you feel lighter. Like your environment does affect how you feel and how you behave. So let's get our room clean.